Bakit ganun? May mga ganitong lapses si Rolex.
It's nice, it's special, pero no one knows about it. No one's looking for it.
Grabe yung attention mo sa details, parang
I have to Grabe yung mata ko sa mga ganyan. Another watch, another day, guys. Mga boss, please, have a seat dito. Magbibenta daw sa atin ng relo eh. Hindi nila ako kilala, barat ako. Kamusta? Laki. Stanley, nice to meet you. Mark, nice to meet you, pare. You guys are resellers?
More on sa Philchai Market, boss. Yung
Filipino-Chinese market.
Yeah, may store din ako. Symphony. Ayala Manila Bay. Meron tayong branch doon.
Meron tayong mystery box.
Meron ba?
Iba pa to. May mystery.
Huli na yung mystery.
Sige, pre. Nakakita na naman ako ng Pepsi, pre. GMT Master 2. Pero sobrang nag-ano na, oh. May aging na talaga. Pero this one is relatively older. I think is 16750. Tama? And this is a 16710 na. Both are no papers, tama?
Pero we can produce the local papers.
How much are you selling this?
Basta wag lang loss, boss.
So boss, magkano hindi mo loss dito?
Ikaw, boss, ano sa tingin nyo?
For me, kasi if I'm gonna get these stuff, it's not really moving. You have to tap the certain people that's just looking for this type of watches, especially mga vintages. What do you think?
Mga 500 plus, boss. That's near our cost.
How about this one?
Mga ganun din eh. Kasi we bought it at the same time.
I find the dial kasi nito funny. Have it checked kung aftermarket yung dial nito? I think this is an aftermarket dial.
Pero I think baka hindi. Kasi ano siya talaga yung glossy yung during that period, year 2000.
Kasi comparing these, specifically you check superlative na nakasulat. And doon sa superlative, yung VE.
Grabe yung attention mo sa details, parang
I have to Grabe yung mata ko sa mga ganyan. Kahit super small details. Have you seen the difference?
So this one.
Yeah, that's one. Una-una magkadikit siya
Ano? Mas rare yun misprint.
Rolex don't do misprints Ang misprint ng Rolex is very rare. And if there is one, it's popular. I haven't heard of a misprint sa GMT na 16710. Kung titignan mo to, mas pulido, mas sharp yung mga print dito. So I'm really interested in this one. What do you think of the dial? Check mo nga. Gusto ko yan Kasi yung dial, there is something off.
No, first ano pa lang yung font niya.
Fortunately, this is a little higher than what I'm expecting to pay. This one naman, I'm very interested at pero yung dial lang niya. The font is different, the sharpness quite different din But maybe I'm wrong. Actually, we can have it check nga ngayon sa baba. Gusto nyo? Gentle-Care. Gusto mo, sir? Pa-check natin?
Para ano na namin, hindi na kami magbabayad.
Daya ni sir, no? Papacheck lang.
Daya lang naman
To, tingnan mo, sabi mo, sa superlative niya, yung VE, magkadikit If totoong pinalitan nga yung dial niya, bakit pinalitan? Kasi nasira yung unang dial niya. Why? Probably water damage, broken glass na nag-shatter sa loob ng dial, nagasgasan yung dial. So that we have to take a look.
Meron akong papahan.
Ayan, meron palang mystery box. Sige nga.
Ikaw na magbubukas.
White gold, YM42.
Falcon type.
Parang off-catalog natin. Yun yung nagpamahal dyan, yung dial.
Kakaiba nga yung dial, no?
May grainy texture siya. What you asking, boss?
Let's start with 3.
I mean, it makes sense. It's nice, it's rare, it's special, pero no one knows about it. And no one's looking for it.
Kahit ako, I've never seen this before. Kaso, it's too expensive for me to take my risks with it.
We can contact na lang.
Yes,
pag
contact
biglang
na
may
lang.
naghanap.
Yes. A mystery box worthy watch. How long have you guys in the watch industry?
Ako matagal na ako. Siya kasi, store sila ng mga watches. So may mga stores sila.
Hindi luxury brand.
That's where I started naman Seiko's. Ano pa?
Seiko Sen, Casio,
What are you wearing now?
Seiko, Gundam.
Laki! Parang yun sa hotel to Ting ting. Grabe. Sulat pa MS06. Limited edition 647 number.
May pareho kaming hilig. Kape.
Oh! Mahilig din ako sa kape.
Malalim yung knowledge ko with coffee. Talagang very detailed.
So yung cupping, the cupping,
Yes, I do that.
everything.
Even yung grinder, papalitan ko pa yung bar.
To be honest with you, I like it more pag may time ako. Komandante talaga
Ay, oo, meron ako. Oo, maganda yung komandante.
Original dial.
Ayun.
Original dial?
Sabi niya nga,
Bakit ganun?
Baka tatago ko na yan, parang ay, misfit.
mas mahal.
Sige ba ito?
Sure ka?
Sabi niya kasi luma na lang daw talaga. Yung mga hindi perfect yung print.
Very interesting na may mga ganitong lapses si Rolex.
Nag-aaral ka mag-open ng watch.
Yes, nag-aral ako, everything, and I'm still learning. Fun. When you really like what you're doing, yung mga ganito, it's really fun. Lahat inaaral ko. I'm more of may pagka-nerdy ako when it comes to things that I'm very interested in. With coffee, I went even to Australia pa before just to learn about how much are you willing to best mo.
Sa 500 something. Yun yung cost Prepare kami for end user, ano talaga. So sabi namin, might as well.
I mean, can you do 500 flat. Yung sinasabi ko na medyo sketchy ako dun sa diet.
How about 550?
530.
535 na lang. Titweet ko pa sila. Hindi pa kami kumakain.
That's the best I can do.
Pero wala na yun. Kayo na yung sa local papers. Kayo na Kasi we have to pay pa for...
Yeah. Done. Done. Thank you so much. I was 100% sure na legit siya kahit may konting flaw siya. Very interested. Kita nyo naman. Wala, very meticulous tayo guys eh. So, it turns out, okay naman daw pala. You know, I'm more confident selling this to our clients right now. Boss, I have to go lang. Kailangan ko na magsundo ng misis ko eh.
Thank you.
Thank you boss. Maraming salamat. Patrick, 69, ikaw na bahala sa kanila. Ayun, nagka-done deal din. Kala ko wala tayong done deal eh. Buti na lang, legit.